Hi there, welcome to Repairing Lawnmowers for Profit. Just a very quick updated video. I've had so many requests for people to see this Mountfield SP 470 finished. I've actually done that now. I've just noticed I've actually got this round the wrong way. But anyway, it's got this brand new grass box on. It's had this drive belt taken off and it's had this new cable put on for this transmission box at the back. I've serviced this up, including the blade. It's had the air filter cleaned off. I've just done the carburettor. It's got a new plug. It starts and runs and cuts perfect. But this video is just to show you what can be achieved, I suppose. I've just washed all this off now, as well, as you can see. And I just wanted to do this because, as I say, I've had so many requests for people just to see the finished product. In fact, I got one comment saying, "Wow, you're gonna do this video and not actually shows the end result." So I thought I would anyway. I thought I'd just have a quick film round. So that's that now. It's a lovely sunny day now, so I'm just gonna get the paddling pool out and maybe got to the park with my kids as well. So, because obviously this takes up quite a bit of time doing these, but this mower won't be the most profitable one. But it's cost me £30 this one to buy it and £18 for a cable. So let's say I get £100 for it, I make £50 profit. It's not too bad, is it? And hopefully I've helped a few people out who are looking to change this cable and get the self-drive working again. So thanks for subscribing. I just wanted to do a quick video because I've just gone over 6,000 subscribers, and that really does help my channel out a lot. So if you're not subscribed, just smash that subscribe button for me. And this is just an update video on the finished SP 470. I'm going to list this on Facebook Marketplace for £110, and I'll take anything from £90 to £110 for it. Well, there's a paddling pool there, look. I reviewed that on my other channel, didn't I?
Yeah.
Anyway, in fact, I'll link to that in the description. What do you think?
Yeah.
I'm just going to start this so you can hear what it's running like now. I've got everything sorted out on it and it's all serviced up. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.